The rain poured relentlessly as Marcus stood outside the small grocery store, his worn jacket soaked through. He had been standing there for almost an hour, watching people rush in and out with their umbrellas and shopping bags, none of them sparing him a second glance. His stomach growled painfully, reminding him that he hadn't eaten in 2 days. Just yesterday, he had a job, a small apartment, and a sense of dignity. But life has a way of turning everything upside down in an instant. A sudden layoff, unpaid bills, and an eviction notice had left him on the streets with nothing but the clothes on his back and a heart full of despair. Marcus wasn't asking for much. He just needed enough money to buy a sandwich, maybe some water. But as he approached people with his trembling hands extended, he was met with harsh words, dismissive waves, and looks of disgust. One well-dressed woman actually crossed the street to avoid him. A man in an expensive suit told him to get a job, as if Marcus hadn't been trying desperately to find one. Each rejection felt like a knife to his already wounded soul. He began to wonder if kindness even existed anymore in this cold, indifferent world. Maybe people were right to ignore him. Maybe he didn't deserve their help. Just when Marcus was about to give up and find a dry corner to sleep in, a young girl, no more than 8 years old, walked out of the store holding her mother's hand. She was carrying a small bag of groceries and skipping happily despite the rain. As she passed Marcus, she stopped suddenly and looked up at him with curious, innocent eyes. Her mother tried to pull her along, but the little girl resisted. She reached into her pocket and pulled out a crumpled $5 bill, money she had probably been saving for something special. Without hesitation, she walked up to Marcus and placed it in his hand. Her small fingers were warm against his cold, wet skin. She looked at him and said with the purest smile, "My grandma always says that when we help others, we help ourselves too. I hope this makes your day better, sir." Marcus stood frozen, unable to speak. Tears welled up in his eyes, mixing with the raindrops on his face. The mother, initially hesitant, saw the genuine emotion in Marcus's eyes and smiled softly before leading her daughter away. That $5 wasn't just money to Marcus. It was hope. It was proof that kindness still existed, that humanity hadn't completely lost its way. He clutched that bill like it was the most precious thing in the world because, at that moment, it was. It represented something far more valuable than its monetary worth. It represented compassion, empathy, and the simple but powerful act of seeing another human being and choosing to care. Marcus used that money to buy a modest meal, but something had shifted inside him. That little girl's kindness had reignited something he thought was lost forever, his faith in people and, more importantly, his faith in himself. He decided right then that he wouldn't let his circumstances define him. Over the next few weeks, Marcus visited every business in the area, asking for work. He faced countless rejections, but he remembered that little girl's smile and kept going. Finally, a small diner owner named Rosa took a chance on him. She needed help in the kitchen and someone to clean up after closing. The pay wasn't much, but it was a start. Marcus worked harder than he had ever worked in his life. He arrived early, stayed late, and did every task with dedication and gratitude. Rosa noticed his work ethic and his kind demeanor with customers. Within 6 months, Marcus had saved enough to rent a small room. Within a year, Rosa promoted him to assistant manager. But Marcus never forgot where he came from or the kindness that had saved him. Every week, he would set aside a portion of his paycheck to help others who were struggling. He started volunteering at a local shelter, serving meals to people who reminded him of himself just a year ago. He listened to their stories, offered encouragement, and sometimes just sat with them in silence, letting them know they weren't alone. One rainy evening, almost 2 years after that life-changing encounter, Marcus was working the closing shift at the diner when a familiar face walked through the door. It was the little girl who had given him $5, now a bit older but with the same bright smile. She was with her mother, and they were soaking wet from the rain. Marcus's heart swelled with emotion as he recognized them immediately. He approached their table personally, and the girl looked up at him with a confused expression. She didn't recognize him at first. Marcus knelt down beside their table and said, "2 years ago, you gave me $5 in the rain when I had nothing. You probably don't remember me, but that act of kindness changed my entire life. It gave me hope when I had none." The mother's eyes widened in recognition, and tears began to stream down her face. The little girl smiled and said, "I do remember you. You looked so sad. Are you happy now?" Marcus nodded, his own eyes filled with tears. "I am happy now, and it's because of you. You taught me that even in a world where not everyone is kind, kindness always wins. It always matters. It always makes a difference." He insisted that their meal was on the house and spent time talking with them, sharing his journey and expressing his eternal gratitude. The mother shared that her daughter had been going through a difficult time with bullying at school and had been questioning whether being kind was worth it when others were so cruel. Hearing Marcus's story, seeing the real impact of her simple act, renewed the young girl's faith in kindness. That night, as Marcus locked up the diner, he looked up at the clearing sky and smiled. Life had taught him that not everyone would be kind, that the world could be harsh and unforgiving. But it had also taught him the most important lesson of all: one act of kindness, no matter how small, has the power to change everything. Kindness creates ripples that extend far beyond what we can see. It transforms both the giver and the receiver. And in a world that sometimes seems determined to break our spirits, kindness is the force that builds them back up, stronger than before. Not everyone is kind, but Marcus now knew with absolute certainty that kindness always wins.